All right, this is a review of the Cobra Grips FIT for women. And just to show you guys the size difference, they actually take this into account when they're making them. These are the Cobra Grips Pro for men. So you can see how the size is bigger. These are a little smaller, but it's still very heavy duty quality. So here's the lady who actually uses them. And then she can kind of show you how she puts them on. You use them for deadlifts. What do you use them for?
Deadlifts and I use it for my Romanian deadlifts.
Yeah. Regular deadlift, trap bar deadlift,
Yeah,
anything where your grip's coming into play, these just help you grip easier.
correct.
So you could use these for dumbbell rows, barbell rows. You could even use these on machines sometimes if you want extra grip. We found our family does tons of lifting, and we've tried a lot of different variations. We've tried the figure eights, we've tried different things for grip, and without question, Cobra grips are the best. And so pretty much you can see how she put them on around her wrist. And then all you're going to do is just basically, yeah. So we're going to do a separate video showing her lifting in action. But all that's going to happen is that the dumbbell handle is going to be in the center there, where the barbell is going to go through her hand like that. And she just wraps around, and it just, this grip right here just makes it sticky enough where you can grip anything and pull it.
And also it helps to eliminate calluses that started to build up on my hands.
And women don't like those calluses. They like to keep their hands nice and soft. And she's able to do that. And she's still a beast and lifts super heavy. So we highly recommend these guys. Check them out.